Batangas BTS, this is MB Precision, MB Precision, MB Precision. Call sign 3 Foxtrot Echo Delta 3. Over.
MB Precision, this is Batangas BTS. Go ahead, over.
Batangas BTS, this is MB Precision. We are an arriving vessel requesting permission to enter Batangas Port Terminal. Our ETA is 0800 hours, 30 October 2023. Request to switch to working channel, over.
MB Precision, this is Batangas BTS. Acknowledge your request. Switch to channel 12 for further communication, over.
Batangas BTS, this is MB Precision, now on channel 12, over.
MB Precision, this is Batangas BTS. Please provide the following details: draft, person on board, gross tonnage, and cargo details, over.
Batangas BTS, this is MB Precision. Our details are all ready now, over.
MB Precision, this is Batangas BTS. What is your draft, over.
Batangas BTS, this is MB Precision. My drop is 12.3 meters, over.
MB Precision, this is Batangas BTS. How many persons on board, over.
Batangas BTS, this is MB Precision. I have 3-4 persons on board, over.
MB Precision, this is Batangas BTS. What is your gross tonnage, over.
Batangas BTS, this is MB Precision. My gross tonnage is 23210 metric tons, over.
MB Precision, this is Batangas BTS. What is your cargo, over.
Batangas BTS, this is MB Precision. I am carrying iron ore. Total on board 12304 metric tons, over.
MB Precision, this is Batangas BTS. Do you carry any dangerous good cargo, over.
Batangas BTS, this is MB Precision. Yes, I carried 2.5 liters of IMDG Class 3 on board. Request further instructions for entry, over.
MB Precision, this is Batangas BTS. Your detail are received. Stand by for pilot boarding instruction and further clearance. Maintain listening. Was on this channel, over.
Batangas BTS, this is MB Precision. Understood. Standing by on channel 12, over.